To run Lightroom on your computer, follow these steps. First, download an application called BlueStacks for your PC. Open your internet browser and, in the search bar, type BlueStacks Download. Click on the first link that appears, then select the green Download button. Once the setup file is downloaded, open it and click Run to begin the installation process. The installation may take some time, as additional files will need to be downloaded. Please be patient during this step. After the installation is complete, you'll see that BlueStacks is now installed and running on your PC. Next, you need to download Lightroom. To do this, open the Play Store within BlueStacks and sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once signed in, use the search bar in the Play Store to search for Lightroom. After finding it, click Install. Once the installation is finished, you can start using Lightroom on your PC.